Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Welcome to Keisha85. Y'all are watching one of my drone videos. Of course, I'm returning home from Indian Rush Beach. Honestly, I got caught being in a parking lot I wasn't supposed to be in. The sign clearly said for staff of this restaurant only, but the gate was wide open, and I figure, by the time somebody realize I ain't supposed to be here, I'll be good and gone. Well, a guy came to work, and he was the manager because he seen me. And once he seen what I was doing, he was like, "Don't even worry about it, bro. Finish up, and then you know what I'm saying. Just make sure you leave the property." I said, "Okay." So that's why you see me right here landing. He saw some of my footage and he enjoyed it. He was like, "Man, you really good at this stuff." I said, "Thank you, man. I appreciate it." So, but nevertheless, yes, this is me landing, and I landed right on the landing pad as always. So, but obviously we know they don't 100% land on the landing pad all the time, but generally speaking, it does. So, but I don't know what day it is y'all might be watching this, but on this day it's a Thursday, so y'all will probably see this down the line somewhere. But happy flying. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much.